Hello Google verification team. This video demonstrates the complete Google Auth workflow and the Google Meet integration functionality in our AI Vedic School ERP application. First, I am opening the ERP login screen. An authorized school staff user logs into the ERP using their credential and the captcha shown on the screen. After login, the staff dashboard is displayed. From here, the user can access different school ERP modules, including timetable management and Google Meet integration. Now I am opening the Google Meet integration page. This page allows the school staff user to connect their Google account before creating Google Meet links from the ERP. Since this is the first time setup, the user clicks Connect Google account. The application redirects the user to Google Auth's consent workflow. Google shows the consent and access screen. The user can review the requested permission and choose the Google account they want to connect with the ERP. After the user grants the consent, Google redirects back to the ERP. The Google Meet integration page now shows the account as connected successfully. The connected Google account will be used only to create Google Calendar events with Google Meet conference links. Next, I am opening timetable management. The school staff can configure class periods and create scheduled live classes for students. In the configuration screen, the staff user defines the period timings, class, section, subject, and teacher information. These scheduled classes are later visible to students. Now the ERP generates the Google Meet link for the scheduled class during using the connected Google account. The browser opens the generated Google Meet link for verification. The Google Meet page opens successfully. This confirms that the Meet link was generated and can be used to join the meeting. To further verify the integration, I am opening the connected user's Google Calendar. The scheduled class event is visible in the calendar with the Google Meet conference link. Now I will demonstrate the student side. The student logs into the ERP using student credentials. After the student login, the student dashboard is displayed. The student opens the timetable management section and then My Live Classes module. In My Live Classes, the student can see all scheduled live classes for their class and section. For active or upcoming meetings, the Join Class button is available. When the student clicks Join Class, the same Google Meet link opens and the student can join the class. If the meeting time has passed, the ERP shows the status as expired instead of allowing students to join. This completes the demonstration of the auth workflow, Google Meet creation from the ERP, Google Calendar verification, and the student access through My Live Classes. Thank you.